In this video, we are going to learn how we can enter a purchase invoice in Zoho Books. So we have an inventory based purchase invoice here on 8th of January. It says purchase of following items from Mr. Daniel. Now you can see that the vendor name is mentioned. That means we are purchasing it on credit, and 90% of the world over business runs on credit. So let's see how we can enter this in Zoho. First of all, on our left hand side, we have the purchase module right here. But if we just want to use the quick create option, we can use that as well from the top right. And here we just need to enter a bill because this is an existing customer. So we shouldn't have a problem. Just go to the purchases and click on bills. And from here, let's select the vendor. We have the Daniel vendor here. Bill number, you can specify any bill number here. Order number is not applicable. Bill date is this one, 8th of January. So let's make it 8th of January. Due date is set to due on receipt. And let's start entering the items. First item is Corolla windscreen. So these items are already created. Quantity is 20 and rate is 400. Now guys, you will notice that on stock quantity is also mentioned here with stock on hand for each transaction. And how this stock is built up, you can check the recent transactions as well. So this makes the total to 8,000. Let's go on the second line by just pressing the tab. Next is Civic headlights. Quantity is 30, rate is 150. So quantity is 30, rate is 150. This makes the total to 4,500. Prius wheel cups. Prius wheel cups. Quantity is 50, rate is 50. This makes the total to 2,500. And the last item is Prius filters. So this last item is not there. That means this one is a new item. So we don't need to go back and create the item separately. We just click on add new item and it's a good. Copy the name, paste it here. Unit is in pieces. Selling price, we don't know the selling price yet, but let's just assume that it's 100 because this is a compulsory field. So we need to enter anything, and cost is 70. All the ledgers are set, whether it's sales, cost of goods sold, or anything else. We just need to mention the description that we will copy and paste, and we are good to go. Track inventory for this item. We will select this as well and choose inventory asset. Inventory valuation method will be weighted average costing. There's no opening stock, and click save. And now we have Prius filters. Prius filters. Quantity is 70, rate is 50. 70, rate is 50. And this makes the total to 3,500. So all set. Let's say that you accidentally enter some additional item, and whenever you want to delete this, you can delete the complete row from here. So just click here and you're good to go. Just make sure that all the totals are correct. 8,000, 4,500, 2,500, and 3,500. 8,000, 4,500, 2,500, and 3,500. All correct. If you want to mention any notes here, just like this narration, you can do that. And after that, you can click on save as draft if this invoice is not yet finalized and you need a second thought of it, or you need to confirm it once the items are all gathered. So in that case, you can just save it as draft. Otherwise, I'll just click on save as open, which means that it is saved as an open bill, but it is not being settled yet. So save as open. And now it will take you to all bills section where you can check the journal entry effect. To check the journal entry effect, we can click on the three dots and click on view journal, and it will take you downwards here. Inventory asset is debit and accounts payable is credit. And at the same time, bill format is like this. So that's how we enter the purchase invoice in Zoho Books. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.